Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how you can make money with Meta Viewpoints. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Meta Viewpoints is a research app from Meta, the parent company of Facebook. It allows users to participate in surveys, tasks, and more to earn points. First, download the Meta Viewpoints app from your App Store. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Facebook account. This is essential to start receiving survey invitations. You'll need to complete your profile to get relevant surveys. Provide accurate information for more personalized opportunities to earn. Check the app regularly for new surveys and tasks. Notifications may also alert you when new opportunities are available. Each survey or task will display the points you can earn. The more points you accumulate, the closer you get to redeeming rewards. Surveys typically take a few minutes to complete. Be honest with your answers to ensure the quality of the research. Meta Viewpoints values your privacy and data security. All information collected is used for research purposes only. Once you've earned enough points, you can redeem them for cash via PayPal. Ensure your PayPal email is correctly linked. Keep an eye on your email and app notifications for special high-point surveys. These can help you earn faster. Consistency is key. Make it a habit to check for new tasks daily to maximize your earning potential with Meta Viewpoints. Thank you for watching. Start using Meta Viewpoints today and turn your opinions into real rewards effortlessly. Do you want to know more ways to make money online? Watch our video about 16 websites to make money in 2024.